Hey everyone, today I'm sharing something a bit more personal, how Jennifer Lopez, yes, J-Lo herself, has dramatically influenced my life. It all started back in the early 2000s. Like many of you, I first saw J-Lo on the big screen and heard her on the radio. But it wasn't just her talent that caught my attention. It was her incredible work ethic and resilience. Growing up, I faced a lot of challenges. I often felt unnoticed and undervalued, wondering if my dreams were just too big. That's when I stumbled upon an interview with Jennifer. She spoke about her struggles, her setbacks, and how she overcame them with sheer perseverance. Her journey taught me an invaluable lesson. No matter where you come from, your dreams are valid, and with hard work, they can indeed become your reality. Inspired by J-Lo, I started pushing myself. Whether it was in school, later in my job, or in my personal development, I adopted a no excuses mentality. One of the most profound impacts she had on me was through her approach to fitness and health. Jennifer always emphasized the importance of taking care of your body and mind. Motivated by her, I began to prioritize my health, changed my diet, and committed to regular exercise. It wasn't just about looking good, but feeling powerful and confident. And let's not forget the music. Songs like On the Floor and Jenny from the Block didn't just make me want to dance. They made me feel unstoppable. Her music became my go-to during workouts or whenever I needed a boost of confidence. Fast forward to today, I've achieved things I once thought were out of reach. I've created many stories, became an ACTRA member, Yahtzee and DGC experience, led teams, and even started sharing my journey, hoping to inspire others just like J-Lo inspired me. So here's to Jennifer Lopez, a true testament to the power of perseverance, hard work, and believing in oneself. Thank you, J-Lo, for showing me, and countless others, that no dream is too big and no obstacle is too tough to overcome. You changed my life, and for that, I am forever grateful. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, keep chasing your dreams with all that you have. See you in the next video.